They are the best that Marvel has to offer. We are so lucky to live in the golden age of the Marvel Cinematic Universe. It all officially started in 2008 with the release of Iron Man, a groundbreaking movie that introduced us to the true wonders of the Marvel Universe, true power of a superhero. Since then, plenty of other superheroes have been introduced and even had their own origin stories. The Avengers movie released in 2012 changed the game totally. More and more superheroes have hit the scene. Today we will tell you who are the strongest among all the superheroes of Marvel Universe. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon next to it so that the notification of all our videos reaches you first. Let's go viewers. Let's get started today's 3-hour Comic Con video. Top 10 most powerful superheroes of MCU. Uncle Ben's mantra that with great power comes great responsibility has been the driving force behind the Avengers and the MCU superhero roster. In the MCU, heroes are defined by their power and how they use them. However, this is a period of change for the MCU's power dynamics. This list considers superpowers, physical abilities, enhancements, and intellect when ranking these characters. At number 10, it is Vision. Vision's power comes directly from the Mind Stone, one of the powerful Infinity Stones that Thanos assembles to snap half of the universe away. For the reason he is down in number 10 is Vision shows restraint when exercising his powers. The power of an Infinity Stone far exceeds anything that any of the heroes on this list are able to wield. He still does not fully understand it. Maybe he never will. For now, we can see him walk through walls, ignoring the physical properties completely. A weakness to magic makes him vulnerable to certain superheroes. But only in a defeated sense, it really is not possible to kill Vision while the Mind Stone is still glued to his head. Number 9 is Spider-Man. Considering that Spider-Man is the only member of the team who has not reached the age of 18. Coming in at number 9 on this list is even more an impressive feat for the MCU's youngest Avenger. There may be those who are of the opinion that Spider-Man's spot should have gone to Winter Soldier. But considering that Spider-Man managed to best both Winter Soldier and Falcon during the airport sequence in Civil War, it seems pretty clear who would come out on top in a one-on-one situation. We have yet to see Peter Parker utilize his suit's full capabilities, but when he does, I am sure his ranking on this list will increase. As of right now, he is still kind of mucks around during a fight. Enhanced strength and reflex makes him formidable hand-to-hand fighter, and his web shooting capabilities grant extreme mobility. Number 8 is none other than Black Panther. T'Challa or Black Panther is a man with great morals, superhuman powers, and an indestructible suit. Made of vibranium, even extraterrestrial enemies will struggle to bypass his defenses. Armed with vibranium claws, masterful martial art abilities, and high intelligence, Black Panther has been done justice by the big screen. We will see his part in the upcoming movies increase as Wakanda is ready to show itself to the world. Number 7 is Hulk. We all know Hulk is an expert at smashing, but Hulk Bruce Banner has 7 PhD degrees, which proves that Hulk is strong and genius with it. End snap of the Endgame or going to collide with the fire demon Saturn at Thor Ragnarok, all of which proves how powerful the Hulk is. Unparalleled strength, invincibility, and an anger like no other, the Hulk is terrifying to behold for heroes and villains alike. At number 6, it's our first Avenger, Captain America. The first Avenger, pretty much the assault rifle of the Avengers, there's not a situation he cannot excel in. After receiving the Super Soldier Serum, Captain's capacity multiplied several times. There is also the Vibranium Shield, the world's strongest metal, which helps Captain America to defend. also an expert in fighting skills. In the endgame, we see how Thanos was in danger against Captain America's hand-to-hand fighting skills of Thor's hammer. Strong, intelligent, brave and loyal to effort, Steve Rogers is arguably one of the most important Avengers without being the greatest in a fight. He does what he knows is right for his country and for the world, no matter the cost. Wearing that hulking suit of armor and being effective with any weapon he can get his hands on, Captain America is our number 6. Number 5 is Captain Marvel. If you have only seen Captain Marvel in the movies, then you may not be fully aware of the extent of her powers. At various points, Carol Danvers has been able to create and control gravity, see the future, manipulate radiation, and absorb magical energy with no ill effects. While she is most powerful when she is thundering to a white hole, she retains most of her abilities in a scaled-down form, even when she is just plain old energy-blasting hypersonic flying impossible to poison Carol. This is a nearly indestructible hero who can control light itself when she has got a mind to. There is no question about her potential. If she put her mind to it, she could be one of the most powerful beings in the universe. Number 4 is Thor, the god of thunder. Thor can crush a planet with his strength. He can take a stroll through the heart of the sun without getting so much as a tan, fly faster than light, and break adamantium. You don't want to mess with Thor. However, there are few that can beat the god of thunder Thor in a fight, especially after his Stormbreaker upgraded in the Infinity War. We have seen him fight Hulk without his new weapon and single-handedly change the tide of a battle on multiple occasions using his thunder powers. At number 3 we have a surprise. It's Scarlet Witch. Wanda Maximoff, aka the Scarlet Witch, may have started out as an adversary for the Avengers, but she eventually came around and now uses her powers to be a hero. That's good, because as we see in Age of Ultron, Scarlet Witch is a force to be reckoned with. On top of her considerable telekinetic powers, which allow her to throw a garage full of cars at Iron Man in Civil War, Scarlet Witch was able to use her powers to show discord among the Avengers, much the same way Loki did with the Mind Stone when it was in his possession. Number 2 is the Sorcerer Supreme, Doctor Strange. More powerful than the God of Thunder or the Scarlet Witch is the Sorcerer Supreme, Doctor Strange, who yields interdimensional magic and the knowledge of how to utilize the power of the Time Stone. He used this power to defeat Dormammu, traditionally one of the largest threats to the Marvel Universe. One of the things I have been wondering, and I am sure you have too, is the full extent of Doctor Strange's powers. We know he is prone to keeping things under wraps with his humility, and right now he is a strong superhero for sure. But just how strong he is? We will get the answer of this question in the next Doctor Strange movie. And the number 1. What do you think who is the most strongest superhero of all time? Comment your answer right now.
And I am Iron Man.
Yes, you are right. It is none other than the one and only Iron Man, super genius Tony Stark. He may not have physical super ability, no superpower, yet the most powerful villain Thanos and his army have disappeared in one snap, making the first circuit at the age of 4 or Mark 1 to Mark 85 suit super engine at the age of 7 intelligent brain. Being the most efficient in any situation puts Iron Man in the number 1 position. Tony Stark is intelligent enough to bring the exact type of suit he needs to any fight. With a plethora of suits and armament available, there is no situation that Tony cannot overcome, as we saw against the Hulk in Age of Ultron. Efficiency and effectiveness is what Stark encapsulates, creating perfectly optimized suits with a variety of weapons and tools at his disposal. Even the basic Iron Man suit is stronger than most other heroes in the MCU. So friends, that's it for today. Which is your top 10 list must give below? In which topic would you like to see our next video? Please mention in the comments below. We certainly come out another video for your choice. If you like our video today, then don't forget to like it, share it and subscribe our channel. Until then, stay well. Bye bye.